Welcome friends to Rocky Mountain Garden, and my name is Mary if you are new and just stopping by for the first time. Today we are doing my February thrift haul, and I am so excited to share with you the 13 items that I picked up. Now these were gotten either from the Ark, which is a local charity thrift shop, or we have two Goodwills not far from my house. So that's what I will be sharing with you today, and I found some really stunning things. And let's just start with the books that I picked up. I was able to get my books 50% off because I went shopping at the Ark on a Saturday. And on Saturdays they have almost all of their colored tickets or little labels. Oh, I took it off here. Sorry. This wonderful the World Book of House Plants. Isn't it a pretty color? And I'm so excited because, you know, I am a houseplant lover, and this is definitely a vintage book. So guys, their hardbacks at the Ark are, well, this one actually was $6.99, I think. So I got it for $3.50 for half price. And then I got this James Herriot book, which is the best of James Herriot stories. Guys, if you don't know James Herriot, he is most famous for his book called All Creatures Great and Small. And it is a delightful story. James Herriot was a vet in Scotland, and oh my goodness, his stories are heartwarming and hilarious, and I really recommend them. So I was really excited to get this book and add it to my collection. What a fun book to read. Hopefully in the summer when I have time to sit in my garden and enjoy it. So that was $6.99 also, and so I got it half price for $3.50. And then I specifically went back because I saw this book earlier when I had stopped by the Ark, and then I knew I could get it for half price. So it was $6.99, and it is called The Romantic English Garden. And of course I love that English cottage garden look that I've been striving to have in my own garden. So this is a fun book for me as well. Now for ceramics and porcelains, I was able to pick up this cup and saucer right here. I'm going to give you a close-up of it so that you can see it better. And let me see if I can tell you the name of it. The cup, these don't match. They're not from the same set. This one is Staffordshire porcelain, or let's see, is it bone china? Bone china from England. And this one, which is not a complete match, is Royal Patrician bone china, also Staffordshire. But they match well enough that I can use them for a tea party. Then I also bought this bowl, which is from Bavaria. It's Bavarian porcelain, and the pattern is called Cedarborg. Next, I found 3 different pieces of framed artwork that I'm going to add to my collection. And the first one is, I'm going to put it up here so you can see it better. It's a picture of tulips. I just love this look, and I'm going to be using this in my shed, my potting shed, that is, when I redo it this spring. And I, of course, will do a video about that. I can't wait to share that one with you. You're going to really love it. I'm so excited to do that one. And next I have 2 oval prints, and I'm going to give you a close-up of this one too. This one has a beautiful sort of country scene in it, and it is sort of very vintage looking, and I'm sure this is a vintage print. It cost me $2.50. And I just love this gold frame, the detail on it. However, it won't stay gold because if you know me, I don't like gold very much. So I will be taking that and changing that frame, probably in a flipping video. And then I also have another one. Let's take a close-up of it so you can see it better. It's a picture of a bird, a hummingbird actually, and I do like it. It has fabulous detail on the frame here. So that's going to be really fun to paint and highlight that detail in a future video. Now, I did find, I have been hunting for small quilted throws to use in my decor. And oh my gosh, I hit the jackpot. So the first one I found, and let's take a close look here, is sort of rectangular shaped, and it will be perfect for my Americana decor that I plan to do in the summertime, partially, probably in my living room area. And of course, we'll have a home tour when I do my summer decor and my spring decor. But I really love this, and I love the backing on it as well. Very, very pretty. And this I got for $2.50. It was $4.99 and I got it on sale. Then this one is delightful. This one I will be using in my spring decor. So let's take a close-up again to get the style of the entire quilt. And I also, oopsie, I also love the backing on this sort of muted pink color. Very vintage. I am so excited for spring and to use this on my couch. Okay, now guys, I did get, well, this is going to be for indoors, and this was a $1.99. And I'm going to stand up here and give you a close-up of it. It has, I'm going to turn it around here. It's very dirty, but it has a toll painting style design on the bottom of the tray. And it is pretty. I like it, and I do like toll painting, but I am going to paint this and do a complete makeover and change that I invite you to come and see. And oh my gosh, guys, this is for the outdoors. This was such a really fabulous find. This cost me $5.99. And let's take a close-up look at it. You can see it has birds and the sunflowers. And it's like a huge birdhouse. Painted. This is all heavy wood. It was handmade, and oh my gosh, it has a hanger on the back already. But I'm going to remake this as well and remove some of these kind of dark and bright colors. I'm just going to make it a little bit more in the pastels because, you know, those are the colors that I love. So this is going to be part of my new garden decor for the summer. And I found something else for my garden outdoors. And this is a super heavy wrought iron piece that has been painted white. It was $5.99, and the day I bought this, it was $3.50. And I mean, who could pass that up? Because it can be hung this direction or this direction, and this will be part of my outdoor decor as well. I simply can't wait. I always enjoy decorating my garden as much as I do my house. Okay, one more piece, and this is number 13. I had 13 items this trip of thrifting. This one was $7.99, but again, I got it half price, so it was $3.75, I guess. And it's a really nice basket. It's, you know, it doesn't have any, well, it has one little issue in the wicker right here. I'll show you. Let's see if I can flip this around. It's just a tiny little flaw. Right there. But, oh my gosh, no problem. It's going to be a really beautiful basket for my garden. And I will be removing this white liner because most likely I'm going to be putting plants in this to decorate with in my garden. So another thing that I can share with you in a future video. All right, I hope you enjoyed this thrift haul, and do come back so that you can see what I do with these items in my house and outside in my garden. And guys, I don't know what my video will be next week. Oh, perhaps it'll be Flipping Friday. So if so, I have to look at my calendar. You'll see all kinds of good ideas for your home on Flipping Friday with using these exact items that I just thrifted. So guys, see you again. Thank you so much for watching. And I really want to say thank you to all my regular viewers who have been so faithful coming back and supporting me. And I hope you'd like to join them. So bye for now.